An Austrian town that is thought to have served as the model for Disney's Frozen has put up a barrier to prevent visitors from snapping pictures of the scenery. Hallstatt is a UNESCO World Heritage Site where traditional Austrian homes are situated along the water's edge against a stunning mountain backdrop. The wooden barrier partially obscures the picturesque landscape. Alexander Schutz, the mayor of Hallstatt, claimed that locals had grown tired of all the tourists' noise and selfie-taking in the town. The fence was supposed to reduce the population, but after social media outcry, it has been removed, according to Euronews. Hallstatt, which receives around 1 million tourists a year and frequently approaches its limit, has already implemented daily limitations on the number of buses and automobiles that may access the town. Mayor Schutz has now said that he wants to hang a sign at the location to inform visitors that people actually live there. The imaginary hamlet of Arendelle in the animated film Frozen is said to have been modeled around Hallstatt. Hallstatt isn't the first European municipality coming up with solutions to stop crowds of visitors from taking pictures. To discourage visitors from loitering, Portofino on the Italian Riviera has instituted no waiting zones on its dock. Between 10:30 a.m. and 6 p.m., anybody seen loitering excessively is subject to a fine of about €270. Only the peak season, which ends on October 15th, will be subject to the rule. There are just over 500 people living in the little hamlet on the Italian Riviera, southeast of Genoa, but thousands of visitors flock there during the summer to view its vibrantly colored homes and charming port. It is a destination well known for serving as a background for social media images, and the Instagram hashtag Portofino has accumulated 1.2 million posts. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.